I just turned on my phone and the comment, "You have mail." And yes, it's Thursday popped up. I haven't read the full thing yet. I want to hang her t-shirt here, let it get some sun. But this little imp won't allow me to. Ah, yeah. She hasn't had her breakfast. It's out there. 2 bowls. First I put broth. No. Umano, be a good girl. I must wipe you. Must wipe you. She didn't want to have the broth, so I put some tuna in it. She still didn't want to have it. Then I put tuna separate in another bowl, and she still didn't want to have it. So I said, okay lah, I'm going to have my coffee first. I've made my coffee. Yeah, just be so careful with her. Haven't had it yet. Thought I'd come and say hello first. Really want... Oh, I think I'll hang it near the window in the second room and then close the door. I don't want her to be tearing this precious little t-shirt into bits. I woke up with a sore throat. Ah, that's a yellow bird. Landing time. What are my plans for today? I've got Andy tonight at 8. Later this evening. That's about it. Oh, there. I was wondering where the other one was. You see one, you'll definitely see the other. Like J and M. You see one, you'll definitely see the other. I'm going to have my coffee first, then I want to take a Panadol. One side, I feel congested. No.